Riding my car, ain't stunting. Window down and I'm sliding. I got a pocket full of money, but niggas be thinking I'm childish. I been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bad. That bad been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a semi. Nigga making all they move. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major because I got all the trumpets.
Cari crew, what it do, man? As y'all can see, we in the scat with another POV. You know what I'm saying? Something slight, man. I just wanted to get a video in for y'all, man, on this nice, lovely day. As y'all can see, it's very sunny. Look at that Mustang right here. It's very, you know what I'm saying, sunny outside. And it feel good outside, you know what I'm saying? Slight little 72, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, if you're new to my channel, man, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way. Cari crew, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, I really just wanted to make a short, it's gonna be a short video, man. Ain't gonna be nothing too crazy. Just in traffic, talking to y'all, man. Updating y'all and asking y'all what's next. Asking y'all what y'all want to see next and what should I do and kind of ideas I got, you know what I'm saying? But y'all can see we got the drive mode, eco. I'm going to put that mode in sport, you know what I'm saying? I ain't put it in sport in a while. Car always be in custom mode, you know what I'm saying? Custom mode, my street mode. It just don't really be, it ain't nothing to it. It ain't nothing to it, Cari crew. But, yeah, Cari crew, man, we almost to 8K, man. We almost at 8K, you know what I'm saying? We like less than 300 away. You know what I'm saying? We less than 300 away, man. From 8K on me. Let me get it right, bro. These folk trip. Look at that BMW. So everybody going away. Let's see if the BMW want to cut up. What if you want to cut up? Ain't he from Florida? You know y'all Florida folks say, oh, you riding a little fast. I don't know. Let me know something. Turn me up. Turn me up. And we doing the POV with the windows up, man. We ain't did that ever. Y'all let me know how it sound the windows up. Y'all still tell that she loud. Yeah, I might have my supercharger on. And my car's still kind of cold. I forgot. Well, it said 170 now. He jumped over. I'm finna get a thumbnail. Oh, cutting up. Hey, he cutting up. I was just finna trying to get a thumbnail from his ass. I could have went. Damn, I thought they was speeding up. I could have went around them, bro. I'm thinking they speeding up. I'm going where bro going. I think it's a house down there, bit. Yeah, his ass just run. It was so big, I'm gone. I think it's just houses down there, anyway. Bro, that nigga is sliding. He might think I'm trying to follow him or something. I'm trying to see if you gonna cut up, bitch. That's all. It's crazy doing the POV with the windows up. Bro is riding. That nigga is riding. This road kind of nice. I ain't never went all the way down this road before. It feel kind of nice, boy. Nice little scenery, little curves. They got a church over there or something? Ooh. Let me know how y'all feel about them downshift car crew. Bro, man. The Jeep slowed them down, yeah. Cutting up with a BMW, it's a 430i. It's a new one. The one that got the front end look like a damn, look like two, I don't know. That shit look like a, what you call that junk, bro? It's like that big ass worm off SpongeBob when you open your mouth and just riding through, eating up everything. The Alaskan bullworm or something like that. It look like that in the front. It's just a big hole, two big holes, bro. It'll be a little weird. It's fine though. I ain't gonna lie. It's like futuristic. Look at that bit. He hitting the gas in the curb. So bit. What you trying to do, man? Hey, he turning. Yeah. Nice, me in the Jeep. But yeah, car crew. Anyway, man, I got sidetracked with the BMW. But, yeah. But anyway, what I was going to be talking to y'all about was what other video, you know what I'm saying, we could do next, or, you know what I'm saying, some kind of scheduling. Because y'all, as y'all know, November is over and December is near, you know what I'm saying? So, and everybody be doing vlogmas and things like that. And I know this year all the car content created, like everything going up, man. Videos, everybody, we doing POV and all that. POV like the hot thing right now, you know what I'm saying? And I was thinking about doing vlogmas, you know what I'm saying? POV for vlogging, like vlog literally every day, you know what I'm saying? Most of them may be cutting up, some of them may be chill videos, some of them may just be me, like story times, you know what I'm saying? In the POV, y'all let me know if y'all want to do story time, bro. In the car, like a story time POV, like me driving like this, but telling y'all a story, you feel me? And give y'all a few pulls here and there, a few sound checks, you know what I'm saying? Or anything like that. But, yeah, so y'all let me know what y'all feel about that. I don't know if I can vlog every day. I can, but it might not be every day, but it'll at least be like 3 videos a week, bro, at least. And I'm saying like Monday through Friday, 3 videos a week. 7 days a week, probably like 4. Cause the weekend I can get like, I got the weekend to myself. I can just like go crazy. You know what I'm saying? I can go crazy on the weekend. I can get like 2 videos in one day on the weekend. Sometimes 3, depending on what's going on. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, car crew, man, y'all just let your boy know how y'all feel about that. You know what I'm saying? Gotta let your boy know down below in the comments how y'all feel about that, man. Like this video, man. It's gonna be a quick, short little video, but I'm gonna give y'all a few little sound, you know what I'm saying? Give y'all some sound and stuff like that with the windows down. That lady had her window all the way down. But yeah, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about that, man. Vlogmas. Cari Beats doing vlogmas, man, with Olivia. Y'all want to see a vlogmas with Olivia? Let me know, man. For all my new supporters, my car name is Olivia. You know what I'm saying? I don't call her Beast Mode and all that other stuff. She got a real name. It's Olivia. People always ask me why. I don't know. I like using real names, especially like older ones, like grandma names, or just a name that's like, you know what I'm saying, kind of common, but it just you wouldn't expect for a car. Cause people never expect that out of me. When they see like, what's the name of your car? They be like, Olivia. But, hey, it be catchy though. People be remembering, so y'all be paying attention more than I think. Y'all do. But yeah, man. On my back window down, so I can really hear that bit. Lord. Good Lord. Did y'all hear that pop? Like, look at that Mustang. Is it a V8? Are you a V8? It sure was. He heard me hit that bit. Oh, you look, I can't turn around, boy. I be ready to get on y'all there. I respect all bills. I be want to get on y'all there, but car crew, let me know something. Bitch, I hit it win. And I be shifting early. I don't even let the valves open up for real, for y'all to really hear how loud she get, bro. It's crazy. That sport mode crazy. Sounds so crazy. Cargo, let me know how Olivia sound, man, you know what I'm saying? crazy. Oh my God. Woo-hoo. But that bitch, hey, I wasn't expecting to sound like that, I ain't gonna lie. Certain RPM be different, bro. It just depends. That truck going so slow. That truck going slow, boy. They probably think I'm bullying them. I'm recording the video, man. I don't give a damn about y'all. Oh my goodness, that second gear downshift. That second gear downshift in the scat is crazy. When you going past 40. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to do a video teaching y'all like at what speed. Cause I know like damn near the exact speed like where you can downshift at the highest speed in that gear with the car will let you. You know what I'm saying? Like the exact numbers from second gear. I can show y'all one, but that junk get crazy. I don't like downshifting that damn high. I don't do that all the time. I had to do that like just to kind of, you know what I'm saying? I scared the hell out of them folks. Hey, Olivia, cause bro, I'm in sport, bro. Like it caught traction, then it lost it again. I don't even know if y'all saw that guy had a camera kind of like that. I hope y'all did. But that Impala was like, boy, but I wasn't even scared. I was just looking at the Impala, making sure you don't swerve. Cause folks, but they love to do that. They see a car get sideways, like, bro, that don't mean you move, nigga. You be still. You gonna mess me up if you move. Cause I'm staying in my lane. I'm just letting that bitch dance, you know what I'm saying, in the parallel line. Your ass trying to cross in my path. Like a deer. That how deer be fucking us up, bro. They'll stand there at first, then they know they had doing the hopscotch, you know what I'm saying? And then we be trying to get out of the way, cause like, oh, we straight. And then they know that bitch jumped the other way, and the way you were going, to get out the way. Yeah, man, I got a little sideways for y'all. But yeah, like I was saying, let me show y'all, like one right here. Most people don't need downshift in second at 51. You can do it at 51, but I'm gonna do it at 50. Just to show y'all. Hear that, bro? That's crazy. That's crazy. And that torque, bro, that torque is unbelievable. Oh, it's like 12. It is 12. No, it ain't. That was the other fault. But yeah, it's too late now. By the time you have to turn around, I went around the truck and said, hey, excuse me, I have an emergency. Basically. But yeah, car crew, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about that, man. With the whole vlogmas, you know what I'm saying, and all that good stuff, man. With the vlogmas and doing the POV, man. I literally like that month, bro. In December, bro, I'm gonna try. It's 31 days in December. I'm gonna try to drop at least 15 videos, at least, bro. Have 16 videos, at least. I really was gonna say 20. I could do it though. I done did that jump plenty of time, bro, without vlogmas. Like just when I just be in that mode, you know what I'm saying. But let me know if y'all want to see that, man. Like, literally consistency, bro. I'm going to get that 10K card, bro. I got to get it. You know what I'm saying? When I stop posting for a while, I be losing opportunities of gaining more subscribers at a steady rate. You know what I'm saying? I saw that when I stopped posting for 8 days, bro. We would have been at 8K by now, car crew, if I ain't posted for 8 days. If I at least posted 2 videos within those 8 days, bro, we would have been at 8K by now, going on 9. You know what I'm saying? Still gonna get it. We gotta rack up 2K. We gotta rack up 2K in 1 month. You know what I'm saying? So let's do it, man. Get these videos, like the video. Get the video to 100 likes. You know what I'm saying? Get the video to 100 likes, man. We trying to do that. Car gonna trying to get big. That one I can go to a city near you. You know what I'm saying? Cause I love to travel. I don't mind driving. Driving does not bother me, bro. As long as you got a fresh oil change and good tires, brakes, transmission, all that good, coolant, but we straight. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. But y'all just get your boy up to 10K, man. Car crew, bro. I'm telling y'all, this is something that I never stayed consistent with something or stuck to something ever in life for that long, other than this, bro. No lie. especially with how hard YouTube is, bro. Sometimes that don't even be working. Like your channel don't even be growing for real. You getting like 100 views a video. You know what I'm saying? Like, and the video been out for like over a week, bro. You know what I'm saying? So where I'm at now, that is crazy. Well, I'm very humble and I appreciate every last one of y'all, man. I know all of y'all don't watch the video. You know what I'm saying? At the same time, y'all may tap into some and don't tap into others, but for folks that watching right now to this part, bro, I appreciate y'all, man. I'm nothing but blessed, man, and faithful. You know what I'm saying? Just blessed, bro. That's done crazy. Look at that stain. I think they were barking at me earlier. Be lucky I'm finna go. I got stuff to do, man. I got better things to complete. But yeah, Cari crew, man. Like I was saying, man, I appreciate all y'all support, man. It never goes unappreciated. You know what I'm saying? As always, when we hit 10K, man, it's up. I'm telling y'all, it's up, bro. Like, it's up, man. Y'all ain't, man, y'all gonna be like, it gonna seem like I got 30K when I hit 10K, the way I'm, like, the content and just the love and support, man. Y'all gonna see, man. But yeah, man, anyway, that's gonna be a wrap for this video. I didn't think the video gonna end up being this long, but I did want to talk to y'all, so, hey, you know what I'm saying? Nothing but love. Hopefully y'all made it this far. If you made it this far, hit that like button and subscribe, man, and get your boy to 8K. You know what I'm saying? We're not that far from it. Get your boy to 8K on the road to 10. You feel me? We're gonna hit 10K before the end of this year. Cari crew, we will. Manifesting it, man. Y'all manifest it too, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, man, like I said at the end of my video, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it. You know what I'm saying? And also, Cari crew, like I say, follow my religious folks, keep God first, keep him in the mix. You know, pray to him, man, talk to him, tell him you're thankful, man, and just honor him, bro, in the best way you can. You feel me? And yeah. And I'm finna get a quick pull in sport with the windows up. I don't roll the window down, I crack it. Little third gear pull, nothing crazy. Alright, and I'm out.